So I'm here at what's left of our school, and we're just going to have a conversation with Jesse Bana. This is Fiola Khan. My name is Michael Gibson. We're the teachers, or we used to be the teachers, Jones Street, CTCC, and the Youth Justice Program. You know, I personally feel horrible. I'm looking at 3-4 years worth of work and time and effort gone into making sure that we provided a school that meets the needs of our students, and like that, it's gone.
Extreme sense of feeling of loss, sadness, and just, you know, losing your work environment, and as well as an environment that the students appreciated, is quite sad.
It's just awful to see, awful to, you know, it's such an emotional loss that at the end of the day, you can only think of all the good work that happened here, and moving forward, what if we can just have that again. I'm just looking at my classroom right there, and I feel the loss of just losing the space, but more importantly, I'm thinking of my students back at the agency, you know, who feel like this was a place of belonging and like a sense of home for them, and it was part of their routine, and it's all being disrupted, and they're kind of out of sorts, and, you know, just feeling very displaced.
So this has been a big loss. Originally, this program at Jones began so the students could have a sense of belonging, so they could have a feeling of being able to attend school regularly, feel good about themselves as high school students, have teachers that care about them, have resources, libraries, seating areas. Our students are marginalized kids that have a hard time going to school regularly, have a hard time going from class to class and just feeling accepted. And this environment was not only created for that purpose, but was that purpose. And when we lost it, our students felt the impact severely.
What a lot of people don't understand is that our students have already had a difficult time in engaging in school. And so the success that we had at this school was getting students to start to lean in to education again, begin to trust in the educational system again, and actually we've started to see students start to thrive academically. And when we had this fire, you know, that really impacted our students' success.
Our students achieve credits, they graduate, they go to university, and they deserve that same experience moving forward. And it's extremely critical that we receive a space that's going to give all the programs access, have individual classrooms for our students.
The thing for me, in addition to the space, is moving forward for our program in youth justice to be able to have a school so they can come to school, and making sure that that transition piece is met, because when they're not coming to a physical building, right, they don't have the practice, they don't have the routine of coming to school. And in youth justice, that's critical, because when we know that when they're released and they don't have that routine when they get released, the chances of them reoffending are high because they're not in the habit.